Please, neighbouring. Okay, given that my other Thomas the Tank Engine video did good, I thought I'd share some more things, one of my favourite things about it. Okay. My favourite series is Thomas the Tank Engine. Oh, I've got 4, and all of these are in the classic era. Series 1, Series 2, Series 5, Series 6. The model era is definitely superior, and it would be nice to see more 11 model season again. Maybe they'll do it for the 25th anniversary or 100th anniversary, I don't know. Those series had the best stories, best character moments. In other words, the moments I resonate strong with in my childhood. I'm going to say my 3 favourite episodes from each season. Season 1, Off the Rails, which in my opinion is Gordon at his best. Thomas and the Breakdown Train, a legendary Thomas episode, plus introduce my favourite member of the Steam team, James. And finally, oh wait, Flying Kipper. Flying Kipper. Oh yeah, I've done them all. Hey, Flying Kipper's a fan favourite, so okay. Season 2, Save from Scrap, Protect Takes Charge, A Close Shave. Other honourable mentions include Ghost Train, Woolly Bear, etc. Anyway, a lot of people will tell you Season 2 is the best series of Thomas the Tank Engine. Some truth in that. It's a legendary season and definitely one of my childhood favourites again. Season 5, best episodes here I would say. Haunted Hen, best 3 are Haunted Henry, Duncan, and a personal childhood one, Something in the Air. Other mentions include Cranky and Bugs, Horrid Lorries, of course. But those episodes showed how great Season 5 is for the visuals, the music, and everything. Season 6 on the other hand. Okay, Season 6. Thomas and the Jet Engine, It's Only Snow, and oh yeah, that's right. I like the rescue. Okay, Season 6. It's not a strong season. It still holds up pretty well. It was the first season I watched as a youngster, so. And those episodes are fun quality to watch. They're amazing. I spent so many years trying to find It's Only Snow, and then I finally found it. Good. Okay, my favourite narrator of Thomas the Tank Engine. Hands down, Ringo Starr. Ringo was an absolute legend as Thomas the Tank Engine narrator. He was the best narrator the show ever had. He had such style, such posture, such fun. And I think he was also the best person to play Mr. Conductor. No offence to George Carlin or Alec Baldwin, I do wish Ringo Starr had been in longer. He was so much out. Okay. So those are my favourite things, Thomas. Later seasons. Episodes. I'd say my favourite characters are 3 favourite characters. Thomas, James and Gordon. Yes, all founding members of the Steep team. All legendary characters. Right. And my favourite theme is the runaway theme. As seen in episodes such as Percy runs away, A Close Shave, Busy going backwards towards the jet engine, etc. Do love music that gets you pumped. Really gives you a sense of okay. So that's my favourite things to Tank Engine, and look forward to more reviews and episodes soon. Take care. Peace and hero. Click the check. Like, share and subscribe.